Hi everybody, I'm Jenna Reed and I illustrated The Little Book of Big Words and the sequel. Today I am going to walk us through my process of turning a word into a character.
So the word I'm practicing with is susurrus, which means whispering, murmuring, or rustling. That exact definition is the denotation of the word. When I start designing my character, I like to take into account the denotation and the connotation, or the feelings that word invokes and the vibes it gives off. From there, it's like one big word association game. I sketch the shape first. Susurrus has a lot of S's, which sounds sharp to me. Therefore, I have this pointy triangular head and these little triangular ears. But whispering and murmuring give off a very sneaky, secretive vibe, so my character's body is kind of sloping and snake-like. Rustling reminds me of small animals like mice and squirrels, so I gave my character some fluff and some fur. As you can see, susurrus is animalistic. You may find your word should be more humanoid or inanimate, but when I read susurrus, then whispering, I jumped to sneaky, sly like a fox, which you can kind of see in the facial features. For color, I'm using a cool palette, dark blues and purples, and specific greens. Whispering and murmuring sounds like spy work, and spies work at night in the shadows, ergo, dark colors. I'm also making the pipe and the background dark and green, because susurrus is a suspicious sounding word. It even starts with sus, so I associate suspicion and paranoia with a grimy feeling, and grimy feels green. Then I add a few details to spice it up. These are my little whispers that susurrus is collecting, and voila! It's done! Like I said in the beginning of the video, creating a character from a word is like one big word association game. For example, this word reminds me of touching wet food in the sink, so I'm going to color it a muddy yellow. Or the way it rolls off my tongue feels like water, so I'm going to draw a fish tail. Words have one definition, but mean different things for different people. Your characters are a reflection of yourself because the connections that you make to that word come from personal experiences. So, the characters that you draw are uniquely you.